I've been working in Fairfield for almost 2 years, and I love this job. And look how many checkouts. Look how many people that book alone. Camera up there. Ooh, give me time to wash my goddamn. Hey, my boy here. Mm, I got some lotion. Coat that up. And you ain't moving. You quit your mess this morning. And he wanna go all over goddamn Monroe. Shit, this my goddamn maze. So I gotta mix that one up. And I ain't do my design. Oh, twisted. You know what? Yeah, it's all goddamn twisted. I had to pull it. I had to. Dog tripping. I don't see no color I want. I don't want red. Dang, I don't want red. Sam. I know what time I'm clocking. I know what time. I had that one too. Yeah, black glass. I ain't got my black glass earrings on. Wait. I don't want to mess it up, mess my Louis Vuitton till I design that one. Put my name on that one. And this one. All the ones that got white in it. I got to design that one. I already did that one. Should do that one. prayers. I got to do that one too. But I would wear it. I did. Yeah, I'll wear that one. Stay it. Yeah, because I got to finish designing it. I'm gonna figure out what mask I'm gonna put on. Yeah, wait on that. I'm gonna go right back to the hair place again to go get my another 7-star on Louisville. Second design now, the one Terrence made. This one and that one. Lotion. Oh, yeah, I gotta put these too. Put it back up there. That right back up there. Okay. Lotion. Lotion. Shit. Well, I'm gonna keep my goddamn mask on. That's my, what you call it? So I can design that one. I guess I keep this coat up. That ain't through. Ain't had goddamn time. Works me about going to deliver these sweets. Wait now. And when I do all these delivering stuff, I don't get gas behind it. I get, are you gonna do it or not? Deliver all these sweets. I gotta go to the lady to go get the stuff. And then he don't say nothing about no gas. And then when she don't want to come and deliver it, it's always on me. Fall back on me. Then you talking about you love me and you always saying you don't love me and all that and I don't do nothing for you. And like this morning it's too goddamn early to go to the sister house to deliver some more stuff. And as soon as I turn my goddamn phone on, you calling. You know what time it is? You still alive? I know I gotta go. Wait. Oh, you don't do nothing for me. You'll do something for everybody else, not me. But everybody, I don't have to use my car. Oh, I gotta go to the east side. I gotta go to Liberty Tax. Go get her some food. I gotta go to Catfish King to go get her something. I gotta go get something for my dog. Man, yeah, my goddamn face. That shit. If she got a car, she can't go take her lunch break. Ain't some shit. Another one got to take you to her, then got to go and take you to go get her some food. That's gas. That I got to put back. And then we got all these checkouts. We had 106 checkouts yesterday. And the other day, I ain't get off until around 6. Because my other co-worker wanted to leave early. And she got in trouble for that. Can't just leave, stay 3 hours, and go home. And then turn around, we had all them laundry. She done put all that on me. She always mad as goddamn hell. Sweat coming at me, going in my eyes and shit. Then he hate when I'm out. He hate when I got say I wanna work on my off day. He hate that. Let me out. Yep. He hate that. Didn't put my makeup on. I'm here. What time is it? 8:51. Yeah. Still got time. But shoot. I ain't finna go to nobody's house, no 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh, you gonna play with me? Like I ain't, like I can't take care of me. And like yesterday, I have to take stuff out of my car and put it at my house. But you want me to just stop what I'm goddamn doing and go and get the stuff. And I'm tired as I don't know what. He want me to do, man. If you get your goddamn license, you'll see how I goddamn feel. And then I work at a hotel and we book like a motherfucker. And shoot, I'm gonna take my goddamn Friday off next week. I'm sure he want me to go all over Monroe. He want me to go all over Monroe. Shit, talking about I don't do nothing. To me, I don't do nothing for you. I don't do nothing. I have to clock in around 9:01, 9:02 or 3. So when I get up out of here, I'm gonna be goddamn tired. So I don't want to do shit. Now, I wanted to go to the dollar store yesterday. I couldn't even do that. You want me to... My goddamn nose. I gotta go wash that. You don't do nothing for me. What I need. And my car don't run air. You ain't talking about. It took you 2 hours to fix your coffee. It'll take you 2 hours to wash your face and brush your teeth. Some shit. Told him I'm goddamn tired. You don't even care about that. You care about want me to go deliver all this stuff and go pick up that shit. They can come get. Tell me I care about my child than him I do for her than him. I ain't hearing me. I get tired. Let me go and finish this so I can do another live.